The construction method used by Sekisui Heim has offered comfortable homes for many years. Unit technology, which accomplishes the largest part of house building in factory, uses automated equipment controlled by computer and the skills of our highly experienced staff. In the factory, we first start by using the customer's drawings to create a list of the components required. The component data for each dwelling is all computer controlled, eliminating waste when manufacturing required components for any expansion or renovation or when performing after-sale maintenance. At the factory, we begin by cutting and machining the steel frame that makes up the unit. The cut steel frame and lumber are assembled. Plasterboard is attached to the assembled components, and the ceiling frame is assembled. For the floor frames, small, uniformly spaced beams are welded between the frames on both sides, and assembly is performed. Welding robots weld the assembled ceiling and floor frames to the steel frame that serves as support pillars, forming a box-shaped structure. This is made into a completely integrated unit while ensuring precision within 0.04 of an inch. This completes the hexahedral box ramen structure that characterizes unit technology. To maintain uniform strength, the spot-welded corners of the unit are subjected to daily testing of tensile strength. The completed unit is measured at a total of 16 locations using laser measuring equipment to ensure every unit is level and plumb. We perform quality checks to maintain precision. After that, interior and exterior finishing is performed on the hexahedral box ramen structure. The flooring material is installed using computer-controlled automatic nailing machines. The exterior wall panels are attached with special riveting machines. The exterior wall panels have already been processed, so no painting is needed at the construction site. The unit, which has undergone checks in every production process, is finally inspected again by a specialist who checks over 250 items. Once the unit has completed this rigorous quality review, it is packed and shipped to the site for installation.